Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Vodafone eSIM. I'm going to do this for both iOS and Android. So this is actually the iPhone 16 Pro. So you come here, click on Settings, okay? And then click on Mobile Services. Come here, click on Add eSIM. Then I want you to tap on Use QR Code. Then I just need you to go ahead and scan the QR code, okay? And then once you're done with that, I want you to come here and click on continue. So basically now we're going to be activating this eSIM, okay? So now here, because you can see the mobile plan setup is complete, I can click on done. And you can go ahead and, do some labels for primary as well. And mobile data, you can go ahead and do that. Click on continue. Now you just need to choose your default line. I want you to choose primary, okay? And then I want you to come here and click on continue. Okay, here also you can select primary, click on continue. So mobile data selected as primary, and make sure you allow mobile data switching, then click on done. And then you just want to return to your home screen. So you swipe up, okay, go ahead and do that. Okay. Now for Android, this is actually the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can go ahead and swipe down, come here, click on settings, click on connections, click on SIM manager, click on add eSIM, and then you want to click on scan QR code right here. Go ahead and scan it, take a picture, and then it will give you this prompt, add Vodafone UK eSIM. Sure, click on add. Now here we're setting up our eSIM, okay? You can come here and click on next. There we go. Of course, you can name them, right? Now we can choose our preferred SIM for calls. We'll select this one that we just added. Click on next. And then we can click on next again right here. So preferred SIM for messages, you can click on next. Make sure this is toggled on. Okay, click on next. Mobile data, make sure you toggle that one on and click on next as well. All right, there we go. And now you can click on done. Then you can go ahead and return to your home screen because basically you're done, as you can see. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.